Hello, I'm Ray from Miro AI Studio. In Miro, you can create a network diagram from scratch, or start with one of our many pre-built templates. Let's see how. To start, open a new Miro board or use an existing one. Click the plus icon in the toolbar, select Diagram, and add it to the board. Select Add Shapes to enter diagramming mode. Here you can access a huge library of shapes and icons for different network scenarios: AWS, Azure, Cisco, Google Cloud, Kubernetes, and more. Just drag and drop these shapes onto your board and connect them to build your diagram step by step. Let's use a real example to make it more concrete. Imagine you're designing the network for a new multiplayer game that requires low latency performance and secure data flows. You might start with a central router, add switches for different server clusters, and include load balancers to manage the traffic. Then, you'd show database servers and edge locations for content delivery. Connect these elements with lines to map out the data flow. This will ensure your team sees exactly how everything fits together. Don't want to start from scratch? No worries. Miro has tons of templates ready to go. You'll find templates for AWS architecture, Azure cloud environments, Cisco networks, Kubernetes clusters, and more. Just pick the one that matches your project and customize it for your team's needs. Pro tip: use different colors or line styles to highlight traffic types or security zones. Group related components together to keep things tidy and clear. Remember, Miro's real-time collaboration features allow your team to co-create, give feedback, and iterate together, no matter where you are. Once you're done, label everything clearly and review the diagram with your team. If necessary, you can export it as a PDF or image to share with stakeholders, or even add as a synced copy on other Miro boards. Any edit made on this original will be reflected there. Ready to create your own network diagram? Click the link in the description to start in Miro today. And don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials and pro tips to bring your ideas to life. Until next time, I will be here perfecting the art of digital charisma, one video at a time.